Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 13th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this looks impulsive down, AO1, corrective up, 1, 2, 3, BO2. I still think this is more likely to go down to make a big wave C, which potentially will go down to one of these two fib levels, or maybe it even is a wave 3. I don't really think it's that important to know whether you're looking at a C or whether you're looking at a 3 at this stage in the pattern, because both scenarios would lead to a very big downtrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, it still kind of looks like we already have the end of a correction here. It kind of looks like a wave 1. It still looks like it may have already ended a wave 2. I mean, it kind of turned right in between two fib levels, but you could almost say that it wasn't able to close above the 50. Looks like we possibly already got the end of a wave 2, and if that's the case, then this is going to go down over the next several weeks and months in a wave 3. Probably a wave 3 of wave C by the looks of it. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, this definitely looks like a downtrend right here. I think it's a wave 1. This looks like an uptrend, probably an A, 1, 2, 3 waves down. B, a very, very overlapping 5-wave trend to the upside. I think it's an ending diagonal wave C, most likely the end of a wave 2. Impulsive down, 1, corrective sideways, 2. I bet we're going to go down eventually for a wave 3, which should be a wave 3 of wave 3, which is a wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, to me, this looks like a trend. You can very clearly see the nice 5 waves in there. Most likely this is a wave 1. We do already have a little bit of a 3-wave pattern up to a fib level with a bounce, but so far it's not really that impulsive. And we do have interest rate coming out next week, next Wednesday for the US dollar on March 20th. So I honestly wouldn't be surprised if the dollar pairs actually did kind of range around a little bit for the rest of the week. I hope not. I hope that this is already the end of a wave C and that this is just going to keep on going down, but we're going to have to take whatever the market gives us. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, like I said, it looks like this could be a wave A. Looks like it could be like a expanding flat correction for like a wave B, impulsive up wave C, Fibonacci bounce. If it is a wave C, then this will make a lower high. It will make another lower high, and it will just keep on trending down. If for whatever reason it's not a wave C, then it will go up, it will break structure, proving that it's not the end of a correction. So, I mean, I'm definitely still looking for shorts based on my higher time frames. The question is whether it's just going to keep on going down from here, or whether it's going to range for the next week until we have interest rate news next week. If it does range, then it possibly will end up maybe going to a higher fib level, doing some sort of a complex ABCDE pattern or something like that before we actually do end up continuing the downtrend. So whether it just continues down now, or whether it turns into a bigger, more complex correction is the question. Either way, I am definitely looking for shorts at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.